Breathing in deeply, dropping our barriers, expanding our hearts, and just asking Mother Earth to wrap her energy around us as we meet her, as we feel held and loved and nurtured. Just visualizing the earth's energy coming up through your body into your heart center. And a beautiful white light coming from the cosmos all the way down into your heart. And a beautiful swirl of the cosmos and the earth in your heart center. And just expanding the spiral, making it larger than your heart. And now you are in a spiral, and the spiral of earth and beautiful cosmos is filling the room, expanding this vortex, this portal, around the world, through the world, and all the way out, as you feel your light body, as you feel the divine breath going into your body, knowing that you are everything and nothing at this time. Just feeling your body, visualizing a flame coming from your sacral, which is just below your belly button, having a little flame within that center, choosing a color, now turning that flame up. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up as we tap into your why, your flame, the energy of love, expansion and oneness. And now your body is in a flame as we burn away any of the old stagnant energy, insecurities, programs and systems that no longer align for you. And just balancing all of those chakras, all of those energy systems in your body, receiving the codes, the words, feeling the space between the words, as we allow the why, the what, which can be quite elusive, and the how, to land into this portal, into our heart center with trust and faith. Beautiful. And now bringing yourself back into your body, and maybe looking at your hands if you need to, or holding a gaze for a moment as you feel yourself land completely back into your body.